here's my second attempt, since the first one seemed to cut off after the thing. I did get the lamp to work there, huh? So, yeah, there's the table that I didn't really fix. I don't know if you hear the chirping, but there's the smoke detector. I love this drawing of me, because I think, like I said, I always wanted to be a cartoon character. There's you and a menorah and a bunch of other candles. The Tower of Magazines, which again, I've already gotten rid of some. The red dress that John asked if if you had purchased. Space Heater. A giant tower of toilet paper, which if I haven't told you the story, remind me I will. Oh, hi, sorry. Sorry, monkey. What have we got in here? A little bit of everything. Oh, I thought there was going to be a cat butt there, but there wasn't. I think the walls are yellow because of all of my years of smoking cigarettes. Although the reason that everything else is orange is because the kitty litter is that stuff that's made out of wheat. There's Mookie. Hey, Mookie. Hi. Yeah. So it leaves wheat stains. Mookie. Hi, Mookie. Come on. Yeah, there's my fresh little boy. There's my fresh little boy. Okay. Ducks, including, I think this was a present, Moses duck. Mookie, are you still grabbing me? Hi. Can you let go? Thank you. The water that is now flowing. Okay, and then the rooms we didn't get to. There's Miss Bitsy. Bitsy. Hey, Bits. Okay. There's Jacob. Kitchen. There's Opie. Opie and Mookie, who's going to follow me around. Cat dishes on the cat placemat. Opie, of course, has a president's up until Clinton placemat. And little drops of blood, actually. Also Opie's. So there used to be a big pile of stuff here, which I've cleaned. So there's something. There's my little pseudo kosher-ness. Mookie, hi, don't help. Thank you. Mookie has been, yes, trying to steal my cookies. I also cleaned off some of the kitchen table. There used to be more stuff on the kitchen table. There's my Frida paintings. There's the one you don't love, but I do. Matrushka. Cock ring can. Yeah. Maneki Neko. That's not in any way accurate. Bunch of tea. Some of these two milk crates I actually just put up the other day so I could get some stuff off the counter over there. But yeah, goes on tight, Opie. And the rat room, with a giant tower of boxes. And what appears to be more blood. There's my bicycle IV stand. And Sharps container. And yeah. You can sort of see the tower of boxes. And these boxes here, this used to be a tower of boxes too, but I got rid of some of those. That was really, really little. Okay, another Sharps container. Little bits of Judaica that Mookie threw on the floor, including this great old, come on, focus. No, I'm not going to focus. It's an old bottle of Moget David. Focus if I hold it back there? No, you will not focus. Alright, fine. Don't focus. Bulletin board, abacus, reel-to-reel that used to be my grandfather's. These little paintings used to be my grandfather's. That from a nursing home for me. There's my Opie. Yeah, he's getting really thin. Anyway, that's it. Tower O boxes. In front of the closet O boxes. And I do believe I see Bitsy's butt. Bitsy's butt. Alright. Come on, oops. There we go. That's it.